We have never cleaned our pantry before. This is what it looks like. And this is the floor. I haven't opened the door all the way. This is just crazy. Our mom cleans it out and organizes it every few months, but I have never personally done it.
Are we gonna take everything out first?
I think it needs it. Let's do the floor first. We can now see the floor. I'm doing something I haven't done in months. Mally's trying to move the cans. I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm not gonna be able to do that.
Yeah. Yeah. Kaylan.
That's disgusting. The pantry is that room in our house when people come over, we shut the door. I have avoided this for so long. We can't find anything. We have bread, Pringles, and honey all together.
You just got all the boxes out.
Somebody tell me why we have so many mac and cheese. Not to mention all the ones in the cups. We got this broom holder.
It's gonna go right here.
While our dad is getting that hung up, Miley is organizing the cans. They're all so random. So she's putting them in sections, and then we're gonna look at the dates. It looks amazing. We bought this thing while our house was being built. We have begged our dad to put this up. Now I'm washing all of these bins. Just look how gross they are. We have 4 of these, but oh my gosh. 2 of these, 3 of these. Looks like I'm gonna be scrubbing. While these are all soaking, I'm gonna update you on the organized mess. On the dining table, we have all the boxed food organized. On our island, we have things like paper plates, paper towels. We also keep all of these things in the pantry too. So we're gonna have to figure out how to organize them. Allie is still shifting through cans, checking all of the dates. The walls in here are kind of gross, like around the light switch and random marks along the wall. So I'm gonna clean the walls.
Since we're redoing the pantry, might as well just rearrange it. So I'm gonna put the bread on this shelf right here.
The pantry walls are now clean. That is so much better. I scrubbed all of these walls down.
And I just finished all the cans.
That looks so good. And they're all on the same row of what they are. Good job, Mally. It's currently 11 o'clock at night.
But everything is done.
Our kitchen is clean. Even the dining table. Nothing is on the ground.
We picked up everything.
All of this is outdated cans. These are cans that we had too much of. So we're gonna take them to the homeless shelter.
But what you've been waiting for is the result. It is.
We can still walk in. We have these hung on the wall and we have all our canned food organized. Up top is all of our boxed food. This second row is bread and then random, and then a lot of packets of quick things to make and cereals. Down below on the next row, condiments kind of. All this is pasta all through here. And then it goes into spaghetti stuff, which we have way too much of. And tuna. Why do we have this much tuna? I don't know.
We don't even eat it.
Last row, we have all of our
Forks and
napkins,
whatever
and
that stuff
plates.
is.
Over here, my favorite part is all the snacks. We obviously don't have containers yet, so we do what we have.
This weekend, I'm not sure what day, but we're gonna go get containers for everything like breakfast and all you can think of.
We just needed to get it into categories so that we can see how big of containers we need for each category. These are all the categories. It's a lot. We did check expiration dates on everything to make sure it was all in date. We had to throw a good bit of stuff away. Here is a quick overview.
I'm so glad all of this is done. That was a lot of hard work. Now I'm going to bed.